Deleting your YouTube TV account isn't complicated, but it's important to understand that you're not deleting your Google account. You're simply canceling and removing your YouTube TV membership. Here's the clean, simple guide to doing it correctly. Start by opening tv.youtube.com in a browser and signing in with the Google account linked to your subscription. Click your profile icon in the top right corner, then go to Settings, Membership. Here, you'll see your active YouTube TV plan. Select Manage, then choose Cancel Membership. YouTube TV will show a few screens asking why you're canceling. Continue through each step until you see confirmation that your membership has been canceled successfully. Your access will remain active until the end of your current billing period, and your DVR recordings will stay saved until your subscription fully expires. If you want to completely remove YouTube TV from your Google services, go to myaccount.google.com, Payments and Subscriptions, then Subscriptions. Find YouTube TV in the list and click Remove or Deactivate. This does not delete your Google account. It only wipes your YouTube TV membership history and billing profile. Once finished, you're officially removed from all YouTube TV billing and access.